one. Ayan. So we are going to return. So you see, ayan. So I think it's too close. And guys, i-flat natin. We are going to flat the mixture of egg and potatoes so that it will cook. Ayan. Don't put the fire very strong, guys, kasi maluluto siya na hindi luto. I mean, masusunog siya na hindi luto. Bye, Anjali. Good night there. Sweet dreams, my friend, my sister. And guys, dapat hindi siya mag-stick ha, kasi hindi siya, dapat ganyan siya, minumove siya para hindi mag-stick. You see, guys? So, yun yung secret. Pag gagawa ka ng tortilla na malaki, dapat hindi siya mag-stick. Move lang siya. Kasi yung part na to, nag-i-stick siya. Ayan. I think I need to put a bit of oil in this part. So guys, malaki na tayong matapos ha. Ewan ko kung nakailang minutes na tayo. Oh my gosh. It's already 1 hour and 30 minutes. Tagal po yung natin, LS. So, I am near to finish, guys. So, ganito lang pag nagluto ng tortilla, guys, ng tortilla de patata. Kailangan i-move mo siya para hindi siya mag-sticky ba. Kasi malaki ito. More than 1 kilo of potato and then 7 large eggs. Kaya masyado siyang malaki. So, yan po yung secret. Dapat, siya, minumove. So, we are going to flip the tortilla. Ayan. Alcanfor, greetings from Chile. Lovely omelette. Hola, Alcanfor. Saludos desde España. Bon appetit! Bon appetit! Ayan, brobang, wag kang mag-French ha. Marunong akong mag-French pero nahiya akong magsalita ng French. Wag mo akong i-French ngayon. So, we are going to flip now, guys. So, ayan. Kailangan i-ano mo siya kasi baka mag-ano siya. Mabigat eh. Wait, at ibaba ko yung fire. Ayun. Wait, at lagyan ko ng konting oil kasi, siya. Kailangan lagyan ng konting oil. Para hindi siya dumikit. Ayan. I put some oil because it's sticking, guys. Itong mahirap because this is very big tortilla, guys. There you go. Ayan, kita na ninyo kung ano yung sekreto ng paggawa ng tortilla. So, you see? There you go. Ayan na siya. So, we are going to flip two times both sides para siya. Maluto siya. So, we are going to cover it again. Ayan. There you go. Sabi mo, Rico. Gracias, Lao. Ayan. 36 visitors in the house. 36, 26 na lang siya. 36 siya dito sa isang phone. Salamat, guys, sa pag-support, ha. So, we are going to flip 2 times. And the tortilla will be okay.